Did you know that here at Purdue Agribusiness, we can provide container transportation as an alternative to traditional bulk shipments? And trust us when we say that's a win-win for all parties. Because the United States receives containers of goods, shoes, clothes, electronics, you name it, from all around the world, then those containers have to get back across the ocean. So instead of returning them empty, we can load soybean meal, soy hull pellets, and soybeans into those containers for export to our international markets. Here's what that process looks like for a container of soybean meal. First, we pick up the empty container at the Port of Virginia and take it to our export terminal in Chesapeake. There, we inspect and weigh the empty container. And once it passes inspection, we load it with soybean meal. We weigh the container again once it's loaded and sealed, and we close the doors. At that point, the container is inspected by the Federal Grain Inspection Service, or FGIS, an independent authority outside of PAB. They take samples from the container, seal it, check the weight again of the loaded container, and issue an official weight and stowage certificate. That sample that's been sealed by the FGIS inspector is then sent to an independent lab to analyze quality, protein, fat, fiber, and moisture. Once those inspections are complete, the container leaves our terminal and heads back to the Port of Virginia, which is only 20 kilometers away. There, it's put on the vessel that will transport it back across the ocean to the destinations, most often to Asia and other markets. Our export container program is roughly 16,000 containers every year. In the case of SBM alone, that means loading 40 to 60 containers per day at our Chesapeake facility.